Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you an emergency kit by Nebo. Something they came up with it's extremely awesome. So this is the bag that it comes in. The bag is padded, so if you drop it, you don't damage what's inside. And I'm going to show you the what's inside this just very awesome kit. This is the charging panel, the solar panel that it comes with. And here you have your Slide King flashlight, which is one of the top sellers and one of my best lights. And then you have a lighter, which is a plasma lighter. I'm going to also show you that. It's extremely awesome. And then you have here the flex, the red flex. So I just want to show you what it comes in, but I'm going to show you the product right now. By the way, there is a drawing, so stay tuned. There's 3 contestants to qualify for that drawing that they're going to win this emergency kit. So this kit in Amazon is $99. They reduced the price from $149. I'm going to be Amazon's price at $95. But in addition to that, if you buy this from me and not Amazon, which I give you a year warranty, Amazon does not, I can also throw in this flashlight right here. It's a $30 flashlight, but I'm going to leave it to you guys for $20 if you buy this kit. It's Black Friday. Why not? Well, not yet, but it will be. So, my price will be there's a fly in here. What's going on? My price will be $95, and this will be $20. So I'll be taking $10 off this. So here it is, the panel, and then everything's already connected to the panel. Since there is no sunlight, I'm going to use this awesome Nebo light to simulate the sunlight. So as you can see, the products are lighting up. They're charging. The bank is also showing it's blinking. So when it goes to 100, that means it's 100% charged. So the sun can be hitting this directly and all the items be charging, or if you don't have any sunlight, you can go straight to the power bank. Connect your items, just like that. Let me move that out of the way. And they also charge, okay? So they're charging right now. This one's a little bit dim. Oh yeah, you do see it. Okay, so you can be charging up to 4 items. It has a second connection to this, so you can be charging your phone or another light if you choose to. Having said that, I am going to do the drawing. If I know I went through this kind of fast, I'm trying to keep my videos a lot shorter than before. If you have questions, definitely text me, call me, and I will answer any questions you have. So, 3 people won the drawing, my 3 best buyers of the year. The first one's going to be, I'm going to go in order actually. My best buyer this year was Jovi. Thank you very much, Jovi. And I'm going to put your paper here. My camera girl is taking care of the zooming. I hope she is. And then second best buyer is Juan. So I'm going to put that in here. And my best third buyer is Abe. Abe, you still need to step up your game, but I still appreciate your business. And here they are, 3 papers. Where's my model? Oh, there she is. She's over there texting her boyfriend. I don't know who she's texting.
Sorry.
Here. So she's going to do the drawing for that, so my hands are clean. No blood on my hands. Just draw one, and then we'll see who wins. All right. Thank you very much. I'm nervous. I'm shaking over here. Oh, and the winner is, woo! Who's sweating? Somebody's hand sweating? Somebody's forehead? The winner is Abe. Abe, you won this packet. All you have to do is pay taxes, shipping and handling. The handling alone is about $40. I'm just kidding, Abe. So you won. You won this packet. Thank you for your business. However, I also have I have 2 flashlights that I'm going to send out to Juan and Jovi for their business. I am grateful. You guys did give me a lot of business this year. The most I've ever had, to be honest with you. So you guys will get a free flashlight as a gift. I don't know what flashlight yet. I got to decide. Maybe the PAL, maybe the Trio. Maybe, I don't know. I got to decide which ones I'm going to send you guys. I appreciate your guys' business, and thank you for tuning in. Again, if you have questions, definitely hit me up. Thank you.